The $130 Garmin dashcam Mini 2 might just be the smallest dashcam on the market today, roughly the size of a car key fob. The camera records in 1080 pixel Full HD resolution with HDR, is easy to set up, has an equally compact windscreen mount, and even features a voice control system. We think the majority of dashcam buyers want the device to be as simple as possible. In that sense, Garmin Mini 2 really is a case of set it and forget it. The primary feature of this dashcam is undeniably its size. Garmin boasts about it being the size of a car key fob, and it really is. This means it can be hidden discreetly behind the rearview mirror of your car, neatly out of the way so as not to obscure the driver's view. Otherwise, highlights include HDR high dynamic range video and recording at 720 and 1080 pixel HD. With both options recording at 30 frames per second, we would like to have seen the options for 60 fps, but this is only a small criticism. Voice control is another big feature of this Garmin, and we are pleased to say it works very well. Just say, "Okay Garmin," and the dashcam instantly beeps to say it in listening. Then say commands like save video, take a picture, and stop audio. The camera responded to our commands quickly and reliably. Beyond the compact size and sturdy build quality, there isn't much more to say here. Garmin has done a great job to make the camera so small, and the ball and socket windscreen mount with adhesive strip is also tiny but plenty robust enough to hold the camera steady. There is a button on the side for switching audio recording on or off, and a button on the back for manually saving the video. However, the camera will do this automatically when it detects a collision. Power is via an included micro USB cable and a 12-volt lighter socket adapter with a pair of USB sockets, and so you can charge your phone while powering the dashcam. We have no complaints at all with how the dashcam Mini 2 performs. Setting up via the Garmin Drive smartphone app was quick and easy, with the app acting as a live viewfinder to help position the camera, which doesn't have a display of its own correctly. Videos and photos can be transferred via the app too, or copied across from a microSD card to a computer in the usual way. Video quality is very good, with exposure handled well, plus manual adjustment in the app if needed, and a sharpness that makes important details like vehicle number plates easy to spot. Lastly, videos can be uploaded to Garmin's Vault service, which stores them for free for 24 hours. Monthly paid subscriptions to increase these are available. The Garmin Mini 2 is the perfect compact dashcam for those who want high quality full HD video with HDR from an incredible compact design. You really should look no further. The voice controls are also very good. The mount is small and simple to use, and you can even pair up to 4 of these cameras together for synchronized recording right around your backyard.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day communities.